Hello friends, I am Anirban Das, the Member Secretary of Mediation and Conciliation Committee, High Court, Calcutta. Today, we are lucky that we have with us the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, Justice Thottathil B. Radhakrishnan, and the Chief Justice will enlighten us about the usefulness of mediation as the best tool of alternative dispute redressal mechanism, especially during this COVID era. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.
Namaste. Humanity is nothing but a large collection of human beings, meaning thereby it is the behavior of those beings which make them eligible to be called humans. To be human, one has to develop the element which is called humane or humaneness, which requires compassion, fraternity, and all sorts of positive aspects which are indisputable components of human values which are eternal in the cosmic totality. In fact, I learned the first lessons of humaneness, of reconciliation from my mother. We lived in a place where in the neighborhood there was a family which was apparently not friendly with the other families in the neighborhood. I lost my father. Nobody from that house ever visited my bereaved home, including my widowed mother. Years later, the elderly person of that home passed away. I saw my mother getting ready to go to that home on an obituary visit. I was not very happy with that. I told my mother, why should you go when they never bothered to even meet you when I lost my father? My mother then told me that this is not the time to carry forward any such impressions that you may have. You have to go because that person and that family is bereaved, and therefore that widow needs our support. Try to develop reconciliation, try to develop humaneness. This will carry you forward. I found from then onwards, through various instances in my life, even through my institutions of education, either in the law college or otherwise, that to be a human, one has to be humane. And when the last letter E in humane is sometimes clogged or covered by fog and mist of ego, anger, jealousy, etc., those negative feelings bring down the humanness or humanity in humanity and thereby deprive the society of a good future. Reconciliation being one of the founding stones, love built on reconciliation principles is always something to be looked forward to communities which have a meaningful way of living. Resolution of disputes between individuals, between communities, between groups, and between nations and the international domain have now switched on to a large extent to what is called alternative disputes resolution mechanisms. One of the greatest modes is dialogue. To have a meaningful dialogue, you need inputs on facts. You need people who can support you in entering on a good dialogue to come to good results. This is sum and substance of what modern day mediation means in the judicial sector. In the court annex mediations as well as otherwise, mediation is a combination of science, art, technologies and human mind which craft out excellent passages from jealousy, from anger, from cruelty and all sorts of negativities to peaceful life of friendship, brotherliness and fraternity in the family, in the society and in the nation as a whole, as well as in the international domain. When mediation becomes a wonderful tool in the hands of trained mediators who help out those who are in litigation or otherwise in distress while in conflict among themselves, I am sure mediation will come out in a wonderful way the world over. With changing times, when social distancing means physical distancing and not emotional distancing or other modalities of distancing, it is absolutely necessary that we keep connected through the medium which is now available for interaction. Therefore, virtual mode of mediation is now the in thing. I am sure that online mediation, which is now taken up in earnest interest by the High Court at Calcutta, is going to put its foot forward in a wonderful way and bring out excellent results and thereby cordiality in the litigation community. This will never deprive the learned advocates of their professional interest. This will never deprive any person which would be otherwise a result of a long drawn litigation which may sometimes go to different courts. I am sure that this function as a long drawn process of online mediation will come a great way. My best wishes. Thank you. Jai Hind.